Yeah, what's up YouTube? Back again, another quick video, and in this one I'm going to show you the best way I found using methods from different people, etc., to get the best results for your Instagram, Facebook posts and how you want your images to look sharp. Everybody wants them looking really great, and you're going to find this way is super simple. You don't need any plugins, you don't need to buy anything off anybody, all in Photoshop. Takes you a couple of seconds, well, a couple of minutes maybe, and yeah, anyway, this is a process of what you've got to do, and they're going to come out looking amazing, trust me. Okay, so you're going to open Photoshop. We've got a picture already loaded. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Filter and then Sharpen. We're going to use Unsharp Mask, okay? Go to an area like the eye, and then just bring the sharpness up just a little bit over what you think you should be doing. So that's going to be different for each picture. So like I said, just focus on an eye or somewhere with you want to be sharp. Anyway, you understand what I'm saying. So for this picture, we're going to go to probably around the 40. We're going to leave it at 40%. Then we're going to click OK. Now the next step, what you want to do is resize your image. Now for this, go on if it's a portrait, you're going to go on the height. If it's a landscape style, you're going to go on the width. But for this one, all you got to type in is 2048. Just leave it at that, 2048. And then click OK. Now the next step is you're going to duplicate the image. Go to your background one, just zoom in a little bit more, and then we're going to sharpen again. Unsharp Mask. Have a look at the image. Now 40 is still going to be okay for this image. We'll just leave it there. Now this is what we do next. We take the opacity down of the background image that we have just sharpened. So that's with it off, that's with it on. Let me just show you there quickly. Off, on. Now we're going to bring that down to, again, it'll change just slightly for different images, but for this one, I think we're going to leave it around the 49% mark, and then we're going to flatten that image. Now this is the next step. This is what you need to do. Simple. Export image for Web Legacy. Okay? Don't use any of these ones. PNG, export as blah blah blah. Save for Web Legacy. Now from in there, it's already resized it before, so we're on 2048 by 1638. Leave the quality at maximum. Optimized, enable color profile, preview monitor color, metadata, you can either leave that in or just take everything out if you want to. And then in the quality, use bicubic sharper, and then save. Export to anywhere on your desktop, and then upload that image to your favorite social media platform, and they will look absolutely fantastic. Trust me. Just try that yourself, see how you get on, and like I said, just a quick video. Don't forget, if you found this helpful and it does work for you, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.